In this quick video, we're going to show you how to reverse your videos in CapCut for PC. Reversing video clips can add a dynamic touch to your projects, and in order to reverse a video, you want to open the CapCut application on your PC and then add the video which you want to reverse onto your timeline. As you can see, I have a video of the Statue of Liberty which I had downloaded from pexels.com, and I'll leave this video link in the description down below. Let's say I want to reverse this video. All I have to do is to click on the video in order to select it, and once the video is selected, you're going to see a couple of different options appear right here. You want to click on this little button that's called Reverse, and then wait a couple of seconds until CapCut analyzes your video and applies the reverse effect to it. After the effect is applied, your video will be reversed. And that's about it, everyone. If this video helped you out and you need more CapCut tutorial videos, then check out the CapCut playlist from the description down below, and I'll see you soon.